In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a dispute during a P2p trade using the Binance mobile app. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or relatively new to the peer-to-peer trading world, navigating disputes on platforms such as Binance is an essential skill. Let's dive right in. First, launch your Binance app and navigate to the P2p section. This is where all the magic happens. Whether you're buying or selling cryptocurrency directly with other users, this area of the app is your primary interface for handling trades. Once you're there, shift your focus to the Orders tab. This is where you'll find an organized list of all your recent trades. You'll want to locate the specific trade order you wish to appeal. This might involve some scrolling if you have a busy trade history, so take your time to find the exact order related to the dispute. After pinpointing the correct trade order, tap on it to view more details. Here, you'll see a selection of options designed to either answer your questions or help you with common issues. You'll want to tap on Need Help, then proceed to Others, and finally select Appeal. This sequence is crucial as it directs your dispute to the correct channel within Binance, ensuring it receives prompt attention from the support team. Next, you'll need to select the reason for the dispute. The app will typically present you with a list of common reasons, such as payment issues, discrepancies, or unmet terms. Choose the one that best describes your situation to ensure your case is as clear as possible. After this, it's time to upload evidence, screenshots, payment receipts, or any other relevant documentation that substantiates your claim should be included. Being thorough here can significantly expedite the resolution process, as it provides the support team with everything they need to assess your case accurately. Once you've selected the reason and uploaded your evidence, tap Appeal. This action formally registers your dispute with Binance. At this stage, your role shifts from active participant to a more passive one as you wait for the Binance support team to review your case. It's important to have patience during this period as the time taken for review can vary depending on the complexity and volume of disputes. Finally, once Binance support contacts you, follow their instructions closely. Their team will guide you through the remaining steps needed to resolve the issue. This might involve additional communication or the provision of further information. By cooperating fully with their requests, you increase your chances of a swift and satisfactory resolution. Handling disputes effectively is key to smooth trading on any platform. I hope this guide has left you feeling equipped to tackle any P2P trade issues with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching.